Being first day yesterday was not very satisfactory, but today definitely there is a good improvement.
Hi, it's me Shivanshi and you're watching me on Plastic Studio channel. And right now we are in Bangalore, the Plastasia exhibition. And here we are at hall number 4, S12 stall. Hi sir.
Yep.
Hello,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So sir, firstly introduce yourself.
so I'm Sheetal, Managing Director of VAT Filtration Technology Private Limited.
I am Amit Pense, Director at WATS Filtration Technologies.
About your company.
So today what we say, we are in the productivity improvement business. The whole process goes for the how to improve efficiency of the hydraulic and lubrication system. So we work in the improvement of the hydraulic system.
So how was your experience about this exhibition? Like it's the second day, so what you want to say about that?
So today it was a good experience, and what product we are carrying right now, those are interesting for the people to keep their machine uptime very high, and so overall response was is good. Lot of people are coming. We are worried about with the situation of war, what is going to happen, but fortunately we are quite good here, and I hope we are doing well on the boundary also.
Did this exhibition live up to your expectation?
Yeah, we hope so because South India customers today and maybe by tomorrow we are expecting much better footfall considering Saturday, Sunday weekends. Being first day yesterday was not very satisfactory, but today definitely there is a good improvement. The facilities, the organization, all arrangements, they are really excellent, and we do expect good business response from the visitors.
How was the footfall?
Footfall today I cannot give in counts, but compared to yesterday, it is multifold, I would say. So we are happy with that, and we do hope for tomorrow also the same or maybe further increase.
If we compare this exhibition to Plastasia Delhi, so what do you want to say about that?
Plastasia Delhi, definitely, very honestly, same organizers, but then Delhi footfall is much better, much higher. Maybe because of population, maybe because of the national capital connectivity. Capital connectivity, I'll tell you, it is the foreign visitors also. We have good footfall, which I'm not very honestly seeing in Bangalore. So that is additional, and there is a prospects for exports also. So from that perspective, either Mumbai or Delhi location, we definitely get that footfall from foreigners. And I do hope maybe Bangalore in years to come, definitely it will improve.
What that one advice would you like to give to the people who wants to enter in this plastic industry?
They are most welcome. If they have not entered till now, they should they should do it tomorrow. It's already late. If plastic is I think it's an ocean.
Like any advice to them?
Advice to them, being in India, I would say now everything is conducive. The governance, the systems, the manufacturing economy, all are getting boosted. The awareness is getting created. There is good boost for the entrepreneurs. Considering all that, definitely it's high time that instead of looking for a job, we should be a job giver. So producing more and more employment, recruiting good talent, and making our country proud and successful.
One message to plastic industries people.
I think the myth of plastic, what people have been spreading the rumors that plastic is bad and all that. I think visiting such exhibitions, I think it will be an eye wash. And the way you use it, plastic is the product which is going to survive. And you can think for any human requirement right from the day one or early morning to till you take medicine, you take automobile, you take any sector, without plastics you cannot survive. That is the situation. It is only a matter of how disciplined we are for disposal. If the disposals are being done in the proper way, I think plastic is the boon.
One message to your customers.
As far as WATS filtration technology is concerned, I think the earlier they get along with us, they will be more productive, they will be more profitable.
So today, as a whole world and a country, we are facing the global crisis, including the global warming. So oil is one of the major culprit for the global warming. So there are Indian Pollution Control Board reports that 80% of oil what we take out from the machine is goes for the burning. And we as a company are committed to conserve the oil. So we make sure that every of oil should be utilized to the fullest. So our product range will give you the at least 2 times the life of the oil. So people should utilize this along with the oil conservation is important, along with the machinery efficiency improvement.
Great talking to you both. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.